Hi, today we're going to do Module 5, Lesson 1. And what we will do is count items into piles of 10. And then we will call those 10 ones. But before we begin, let's review what we did in Module 4. Finding out how many more we needed to make 5 and how many more we needed to make 10 during our fluency. Are you ready? Let's begin. I'll do the first one. How many more to make 5? I see that I have 3, 4, 5. 2 more. Or you can use your fingers, put 3 fingers up, and how many more on that hand goes up would be 2 more. What number sentence would I write? 3 plus 2 equals 5. Good job. Now let's work together. How many more to make 5? Good. What number sentence can you make to go with this slide? 1 plus 4 equals 5. How many more to make 5? Good, that was 2. And then we added 3 more. 2 plus 3 more equals 5. This is how you write your number sentence. Start off with the 2 that you had in the beginning, add 3 more, and that equals 5. How many more to make 5? This is a tricky one. How many do you have? You didn't need to add anything. 5 plus 0 equals 5. How many more to make 5? What is the number sentence? Great. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now we're going to find out how many more to make 10. I'll do the first one. I see it's 9. And 1 more fills up the 10 frame. What number sentence will I write? 9 plus 1 more equals 10. Now it's your turn. How many more to make 10? Remember, you have to fill up the frame. Good. Now let's make a number sentence. We started off with how many? 1. And you added 9 more. 1 and 9 equal 10. How many more to make 10? Now let's create our number sentence. 4 plus 6 equals 10. How many more to make 10? Two plus 8 equals 10. How many more to make 10? Great, you filled up the frame. What's your number sentence? 3 and 7 more equal 10. Great. How many more to make 10? Make your number sentence. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Now it's time for the application problem. Let me read it. Marta loves to share her peanuts at recess. She counted 10 peanuts into the hands of her friend Joey. Draw a picture of the peanuts in Joey's hands. There is more than one possible solution to this problem. Now remember, we don't really have to draw hands. We can just draw circles to represent hands of the friend Joey. Now, let's put some of the peanuts in one hand, that is the red circle, and some in the other hand, that is another circle. This time I am going to go first, and then after I finish, you can try to do it another way. Let's begin. I'm going to put 3 in one hand. How many will go in the other hand? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7 more, because I know 3 and 7 equal 10. Now it's your turn. You can pause the video to decide how many you want to put in Joey's hand. Remember, try to do something different. It doesn't have to be like mine. You can put 1 in one hand and the rest in the other hand. You can put 4 in one hand and the rest in the other hand. Now we are going to go into our concept development. Remember, our objective is to count how many are in a pile and call them 10 ones. Are you ready? Let's begin. Let's look at the first group. All right, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10. We're going to circle that group of 10. After we circle that group of 10, we call it 10 ones. We have one group of 10 ones. How many are in the second group? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put an X over that one to represent that it is not 10 ones. Let's count the next group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 10 ones. We're going to circle that pile of 10 and call it 10 ones. Let's look at the next group. How many do we have? You're correct. It's 10. We have 3 groups of 10 ones. Fantastic. Let's count the next group. How many do we have? That's 8. We're going to put an X over the 8 to represent that it is not 10 ones. That's why we did not circle it. Let's look at the last group. How many do we have? No, it is not 10. We have circled all of our 10 ones. We have 1, 2, 3. 3 groups of 10 ones. All right. Okay, now it's your turn. you're going to circle all the items that have 10. So you're going to look at the smiley faces, count them. And if it's 10, you're going to circle them. You're going to look at the boxes, count the boxes. Is it 10? If it's 10, you're going to circle it. If it's not 10, you're going to put a big X on it. Look at the snowflakes. Are there 10 snowflakes? If there are, you're going to circle it. If not, you're going to put an X over it. And then I want you to write the sentence. You can write a sentence under each one that you drew. If you drew the smiley faces and it has 10, you're going to say, I circled the smiley faces because I counted 10 of them. If not, you're going to say, I didn't circle the smiley face because I didn't count 10 of them. All right, you guys, don't forget to like this page and to subscribe. Have a great mathematical day.